The topic will be filled up to at this point is online class routine, tips, and equipment. During online classes, we use MS Teams. Noong nagkaroon po kami ng nung nagkaroon ng pandemic or lockdown, year 2020, nag-start po ito March. Tapos po na-enroll po ako sa online. Nanay ko po nagbabayad po sa school. Ako po sa bahay nag-aaral. For example, during online class, students, you use your notebook. And then, use an hour ball pens to write. Wait. You need ball pen to written. Like this. If the teacher is listening, you write down on notes. During online class, anong oras po ako nagigising? 6 a.m. or 5:30 or 4 o'clock a.m. nagising na po ako. Naliligo na po ako, kakain ng umagahan, pagkatapos po a-attend ng online class. Saan po tayo attend ng online class? There's more laptop ang kailangan po gamitin or cellphone sa online class. Ang kailangan po dito, for example, For example, this is, you open MS Team. This is my MS Team. Wait to loading. Like this. Ito po ang kailangan gawin during online class. Hintayin pong loading ang gamitin po natin dito is MS Teams. Microsoft Teams, kung tawagin po, MS Team. Hintayin po natin mag-loading. How to use online routine during online class. The topic today is about online class routine, tips, and equipment. Ang routine po natin is kailangan sa gabi, huwag pong magtutok sa cellphone, matulog na maaga. Huwag pong kalimutang manalangin bago matulog. Sabi natin kay Lord, bigyan po ng karunungan. For example, ito po yung MS Team. Nag-loading po, di ba? Kailangan pasensyoso po tayo kung nag-loading po yung apps na ating pinipindot. Ganito lang po ang tips and routine during online class. Ang gagamitin po natin dito is, for example, headset or earphone. Gamitin po natin sa ganito. Para makinig or saksak po sa ganito. Ganyan po. Tapos may notification. Di ba po? Nakalagay po dito, something went wrong and we couldn't install the new themes. Please try again later. Click natin yung not now, tapos yung mga chat. Kung active po ba tayo dito. For example, ito po. Ginagamit po natin ito ito yung ginagamit namin for online class. When I was first year college on STI Dasma, we are mass comm first year student. We are use MS Teams on online class or use Zoom or Google Meet. So meeting, and then Microsoft Team. For example, ito po, ang pinutin po natin dito yung calendar. Yan na po, yung calendar. For example, schedule po dito. Ang pasok namin noon po hanggang Monday, Tuesday, MWF or MTWTF. For example, ang klase po namin noon kay Ma'am Irene, 7 a.m. ABCom 1.2A, PE2, rhythmic dancing. Ito po hindi ko nadaluhan na online class na subject. Ito pong PE2. And then ito pong introduction to media ay nadaluhan ko po sa online class, natendan ko po ito. Sa po yung ethics po hindi ko po napasukan. Itong PE1 po na napasukan ko during first year kay Ma'am Geraldine Cantos Faculty. Ito po yung calendar sa MS Team. Kung mag-aaral ka ng online class, for example, before 12 to 1:30, eating lunch. The tips of a student is after join online class or attend online class or online classes, eating lunch. Lunch is important, eating is important. Before you attend class, mahirap po yung atin tayo ng klase, walang gana, mahina ang utak. Pag di tayo kakain, wala tayo laman ng utak natin. For example, ito po, Mathematics in the Modern World, kay Sir Rod. Nung first year bakong po kami, ito po yung topic namin, ito po yung pinag-aralan namin subject tungkol po sa mga formula, statistics. Kay Sir Rod, Mathematics in the Modern World, Session 2, Bakom 1.1a. Kung saan ito po, for example, kiklik mo po ito. Click chat with participants or new meeting or attend. For example, pag nag-invite nyo ng link yung teacher na yung instructor mo sa instructor po dito po sa SDI. For example, kung may sasagutan po dito, may sagot ka, pwede kang makipag-cooperate. Ito po yung ginagamit namin noong first year college kami sa Mascom. For example, na may account po kung active ka po. Activity. For example, may notification. Pag may activity dito sa MS Team, kailangan pag may pinapagawa yung instructor, sundin po at huwag tanggihan. Sabihin na isang instructor, makapasa ka sa kanyang subject. Kung tayo makikipag-participate, wala pong mangyayari. Ito, Power BI, for example. Sa ano po ito? Comprod. Nung second year po ako, may back subject po ako. Pinasukan ko pong STP2. Yun po yung physical class, hindi po online. During COVID-19, nasa bahay lang po kami. Ano to pa yung nagamit namin? Microsoft Teams. Or called MS Teams. For example, pag may schedule tayo sa subject teacher natin, may papasukin tayo. Example, kay Ma'am Tenorio. Click join. Join. Yan, for example, like this. You click, unmute, or join now. Like this. Utenix Bakom, Wednesday 1.1a. Connecting. Try to wait. For example, if you say the instructor, open cam. Like this. Like this, Open cam, open mic, for example, ma'am, ano pong gagawin namin dito? Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, sir. Babati po tayo ng respeto or kung mayroon pong ipapasat, yung may tanong po instructor natin sa online class, gamitin po natin ito, raising hand. Sasabihin instructor, yes, patag, what is your matter? I answer your question. I'm answer your question, ma'am, about I can answer. I'm all ready. Pagtapos po ng online class, sabi ni ma'am, goodbye class. Click po natin tong leave. Pagkatapos na pong online class, ganyan na po. Sabihin po, tapos na ang klase. Pag may pinagawa po, tignan natin sa Google Chrome, open tayo ng ELMS. Use ELMS, you'll find the assignment or TP or final practical exam, task performance, or any activity, or watch seminar, or link. If you want to see your grade, click 1STI app. 1STI student app portal. Log in. Sample like this. Wala, this site can't be reached. Wala po, huwag pilitin kung ayaw. O kaya, tingnan yung net natin kung okay po ba. Okay naman po, nakalagay. PLDT on Fiber to BC90 Internet Access. Kung natin makita yung 1STI app, tingnan natin sa cellphone po natin. My content during online class is, you do not forget to pray and you always read Bible every day. Because praying is part of communication to God. That is my content. Sabi nga po doon sa Proverbs 3 verse 5, sa Panginoon ka magtiwala at wag sa sarili mong karunungan. It means I put your trust in the Lord, not your own understanding, because God is feed geniuses to everyone. Sabihin po nun, ang Diyos nagbigay sa ang Panginoon po ang nagbigay sa atin ng talino, hindi po tayo naghangad. Pero ito binigay niyang pusang loob sa atin. Bilang matalino, may pinag-aralan man tayo, wala, gamit natin sa tama yung natutunan natin sa eskwelahan. So, tinuruan tayo ng guro, ng ating mga instructor, ng tama at hindi po ng mali. Pag mayroong pinapagawa, pag may di alam, magtanong, wag pong magmagaling, wag magmarunong, wag pabida. Sorry for the word, pero kailangan po. Ang tips po dito is, before you enter online class, you do not forget, sleep early in the evening, and then pray. Do not forget to pray before you sleep. And the morning, while you wake up, pray, read Bible, sing gospel. That is the good thing or good plan in the way of communication to God. Pagka kailangan po natin mag-logout, ito lang po. Click po yung account ng kanan po, click logout. Pag ganyan kailangan po pumasok po ng LMS, click logout. Pagka di tayo mag-logout, may kapagawa instructor natin, magtanong po tayo sa MS Team or magpatulong tayo sa ating kasama sa bahay. During online class, yes, mahirap po. Nakakatamad. Pero marami pong nakapasa sa online class. During I'm grade 12 student, ang ginagamit po namin is Zoom. Hindi po MS Team. Nung grade 12 student po sa Kenyang Academy, ang ginagamit po namin ito, Zoom meeting. Click Zoom. And then Google Meet. Click join a meeting. For example, like this. Meeting ID or personal link name. Ganito lang po ang idea dito. This is my content. You do not forget, pray, and sleep early in the evening and read Bible. Or you do not forget, sleep. You do not forget, pray while you wake up in the morning. And you do not forget, pray and read Bible. And then you do not forget, sing gospel to God. Because God is supply the knowledge or wisdom or geniuses to you, to me, and all. That's my content today. Good afternoon, everyone. This is online classes routine, tips, and equipment. This is the Mass.com SOCMED. This is the production of my content is about online classes routine, tips, and equipment. Cheating is not good thing. But the lesson is written to your notebook. You try to review. And then, after you review, you will be touch your mind while you read the lesson in your notebook while you will write, or you will be understand the teaching of your instructor. Read, learn, and then apply the good of your learning while you old. And you will, when you were a parent once upon a time, or a new employer, you apply your values will be good into your workplace and then to your family and to God and to everyone. Good afternoon, everyone, and God bless to all.